Imagine a place so remote that even Airtel mobile network doesn't have a coverage. Hidden in a deep valley, surrounded by the lush green mountains. A place where nature is at its very raw best. The place is so peaceful and calm that time stands still. So, does the place really exist? Yes, it does. And it goes by the name Kyatanamakki. As usual, the day started early. I took the Nelmangla route and headed towards Hasana. My friends are in Tempo Traveler and I'm riding solo. They left an hour earlier and I'm playing catch up. The one question that lingered in my mind was, is it possible for me to take the Versys 650 on the complete off-road of 7 kilometers in Kyatanamakki? We will soon find out. I stopped at HVR Hotel in Hasana for breakfast. It is famous for Bennikali dosa, set dosa and crispy vada. Let's see if I can eat them all. What an amazing breakfast it was. The Bennikali dosa was so flavorful, the vada was so crispy, and the chutney was so amazing. Kyatanamakki is a remote hill station of Hornadu. To reach from Hasana, one has to go through Belur, Mudigere, Kottigehara, Kalasa and then Hornadu. And from Hornadu, it is a 10-12 kilometers drive with 7 kilometers completely off-road. On the way, I saw thousands of pilgrims walking. Where were they walking to? I initially thought they were walking towards Belur temple, but later got to know they were indeed walking towards Dharmasthala, all the way from Madhugiri, with the total distance being 350 kilometers. It takes them roughly a week to complete this journey, and there were multiple pandals installed on the road for their food and comfort. And they would reach Dharmasthala on the auspicious day of Shivaratri. Wow. Really wow. I felt really happy. By the way, where are my friends? Well, they're waiting for me a few kilometers ahead, just before the off-road begins. And finally, I meet my friends. The off-road is gonna begin now, hence they're going in the Jeep. I too wanted to park my bike here and go in the Jeep, but the driver told me that it is possible to cover those last 8 kilometers in my bike. Hence, with a heavy heart and a low confidence, I started to follow the Jeep. And I dropped my bike. Thankfully, nothing major broke except the Chinese handlebar protectors. And luckily there was a house nearby where I could park the bike for the night. I joined my friends in the Jeep, and it proved to be a wise decision. And finally, we reached the homestay, right in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by mountains everywhere. After a sumptuous lunch, we proceeded to the sunset point.